In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI in Slack with this complete setup guide for 2026. Bringing Claude into Slack is a great way to add AI assistance directly into the place where your team is already communicating. Once it's connected, you can use it to summarize long discussions, help draft replies, review uploaded files, and answer complex questions without constantly switching tools. Before you begin, keep in mind that installing the Claude app usually requires Slack workspace admin or owner approval. You'll also need access to a Claude or Anthropic account to complete the connection. It's also helpful to know that Claude only reads messages when you directly mention it in a channel or when you're chatting with it in a direct message. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. In the left sidebar, click Apps. If you don't see it right away, click More and then Apps. Use the search bar to look for Claude and make sure you choose the official app by Anthropic. Once you're on the app page, click Add to Slack. This will send you to a browser authorization screen. If you belong to more than one Slack workspace, select the correct one from the workspace dropdown. You'll then see the permissions Claude is requesting, such as reading app mentions, writing messages, and reading files. Review those permissions carefully, then click Allow to finish the installation. After that, go back to Slack and find Claude in the Apps section of your sidebar. Click it to open the direct message window with the app. In the welcome message, select Connect Account. A browser window will open so you can sign into your Claude account and complete the integration. Now that Claude is connected, you can start using it in channels and direct messages. If you want Claude to help in a specific channel, go into that channel and type invite at Claude, then press enter. After Claude joins, you can mention it in any message or thread by typing at Claude followed by your request. For example, you can ask it to summarize a discussion or help with a task. If you want Claude to review a document, upload a file like a PDF, CSV, TXT, or code file, tag at Claude, and include a clear instruction about what you want analyzed. For more private work, open Claude from the Apps sidebar and use the direct message space for drafting, brainstorming, or debugging. To summarize a specific thread, hover over a message, click the three dots, open More Message Actions, and choose the option to summarize the thread with Claude. In channels where Claude has already been invited, you can also ask it to summarize the last 24 hours of messages by tagging it and giving that instruction directly.